and there is a standardization of this procedure, and because of this we are able to transplant approximately 2000 to 3000 hairs per session. That means in a strip usually anyone have around 2000 to 3000 hairs in that strip, and these hairs are distributed among the bald area. Hair transplantation is a one-day procedure. Come in the morning, get it done and go back by evening. Approximately 6 to 8 hours, and the cost would be ranging from 30 to 50,000 depending on the number of the hairs that we transplant. Usually we can transplant around 2000 to 3000 hairs depending on the density of the hair on the back side. Some people may be having very thin hair, so in that case we may not be able to transplant more number of hairs to the front. Whereas some people, even though they are bald, the density per square centimeter, that is number of hairs per square centimeters, may be more on the back side. So we can take more hairs from that person and then transplant more hairs to the front. So depending on these, the duration of the surgery also varies, approximately between 6 and 8 hours. And it's done totally under local anesthesia. That means patient is awake, he knows what is going on, but he doesn't have the pain. We give a few injections of local anesthesia around that region and then make that area numb and do the hair transplantation. In fact, this procedure is usually done in a semi-reclining position, not even in the sleeping position also. And after the hair transplantation, we do a small bandaging, that is to the head, for about 2 to 3 days. On the third day, we take off this bandage and give a shower to it. And from then onwards, that is from 5th day onwards, he can have his normal bath and the normal showering of the head also. And normally this whatever we transplant the hair usually falls off by about 1 month time. From the 2nd or 3rd month, the transplanted hair starts growing, because the hair, though the shaft falls, the root will be there inside only. Because of this, from the 2nd or 3rd month, the hair starts growing back, and by 6 to 8 months one can see full growth of the hair. And one should understand the basic principle in any hair transplantation, which is the fact that because we cannot, normally nature has given us around 100 to 120 hairs per square centimeter. Even in the best of the hair transplant surgeons around the world, we can only transplant approximately around 50 hairs at a session, that is per session. We can increase the density in 2nd sitting or 3rd sitting.